Coming soon. This adorable Creole-style 2-story home has been well maintained. New 25-year architectural roof was added November 10, 2004. The air conditioner was replaced in August 3, 2006. Hardwood flooring welcomes you into the front door and leads up the stairs and/or go into the living room dining room combination. Enjoy the wood-burning fireplace while you enjoy watching TV or having dinner. Kitchen has freshly painted cabinets with updated hardware. The kitchen is light and bright. Brand new dishwasher and electric stove. The eat-in kitchen has a breakfast bar and room for a breakfast table. Downstairs master has a new vanity and hardware. This home has tons of storage including walk-in closets in the bedrooms. There is all ceramic tile in the kitchen and laundry room and at the landing upstairs. Hardwood floors in the downstairs foyer and living/dining room and on the steps. Seller is offering a $1,000 carpet allowance. 3 bedrooms upstairs. 2 of the bedrooms are large and both of them have 2 walk-in attic accesses. The attics are all floored and have ample storage along with a new attic fan. The upstairs bath has dual vanities along with a shower tub combo. The large backyard has beautiful fruit trees that are loaded with all kinds of citrus in the fall. The storage shed has new pressure-treated flooring. The exterior of the home has Hardi board for no maintenance. The garage has plenty of shelving. Call listing agent for more details. It will not be available to show until mid-May.